If I had to choose one phone to take into the apocalypse, it would be the Ulefone Power Armor 18T. This device has it all: a durable, rugged design, a massive battery, and a thermal imaging camera, as well as an optional endoscope attachment. Before we take a closer look, we're giving away one of these handy devices to a lucky reader. Once you're at the end of the review, you'll find a giveaway form to enter the competition. However, I should clarify that this review isn't otherwise sponsored, and Ulefone had no say in the content or direction. Before we dive into the specs and design of the phone, let's talk about the headline feature that sets the Ulefone Power Armor 18T apart from the regular Power Armor 18. Equipped with an official Lepton 3.5 FLIR sensor, the latest embedded sensor, it offers a thermal detection resolution of 150x120. While it is not particularly new, it's a few years old now, it is the latest version and the best you'll find embedded in a smartphone. For higher resolution, you would need to purchase a dedicated FLIR device. 150x120 seems like a low resolution, but it doesn't mean the images you get from the thermal sensor are a blurry mess. It's combined with a 5MP real camera to give a sort of augmented reality view of the world. You'll find the edges of objects are highlighted, and the thermal data is overlaid. Using the thermal imaging camera is simple, just open up the MyFLIR app. You can't use the IR sensor in standard photo apps, but you shouldn't need to. The FLIR app offers a variety of overlay or pure thermal modes, along with various options to measure points, area averages, or adjust the scale and color range. Some people may think that thermal imaging is a gimmick, but it can be a surprisingly useful tool for any number of professionals and even home users. If you're a professional, such as an electrician or a builder, you already know how useful it can be for your job. On a home level, thermal imaging can be used to identify areas of your home that need better insulation. You can actually pay for professional surveys to find this out, or you can do it yourself by turning on your heating high on a cold winter day and looking for hot spots on the outside of your home. Ideally, you want your home to appear cold on the outside. That means the heat is staying inside. So if you can see heat leaking out, that's a good candidate area to think about insulating, either internally or externally. Thermal imaging can also be used inside the home to locate pipes or wires behind plasterboard. It's not foolproof, but you'll often see a temperature differential, so it's an excellent tool to combine with stud finders. You can see at a glance if your radiators are faulty or need bleeding. You can identify damp spots that might not be visible to the naked eye yet and deal with them before they become mold. You can also identify electrical issues with overheating devices and find faulty components. Thermal imaging can even be used for hunting and pest control. You can use it to locate small animals that think they're hidden behind brush. In my opinion, thermal imaging is a killer feature, and if there's one feature I think all rugged phones should have, it's this. Inside the main box, you'll get a yellow USB-C charging cable plus a 66 WPD fast charger, but it's also compatible with 15W Qi charging. Additionally, there's a lanyard hook. The Ulefone Power Armor 18T boasts a massive 6.58-inch IPS LCD panel with 120Hz refresh rate support running at FHD plus resolution, or 1080x2408. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and there's a screen protector pre-applied. If you prefer, there's also a thicker tempered glass protector in the package.